Alright, what is up, guys? I am back on Grampa Chewy's account, and this is where we're sitting at. We're at 5 ER, and this base has served us fairly well, too. And I'm not going to jump into a whole lot of showing. It's our times: 240, 235, 251, 240, 237, 240. Some pretty good times. So anyways, let's look at our tech tree. I'm sitting at 1840 tech tree. A lot less upgraded than Captain Chewy's. I was rushing to try to go ahead and get the choppers and their shock launchers. But I want to show you this. These guys rule. Yeah, there's some pretty crazy names in here. I can't believe I'm 12th in this task force with Flint, Michigan. Man, I can't believe I still laugh every time I look in here. Oh my god, I'm in Flint, Michigan's task force. I can't believe I did that. But anyways, you know, it's one of those things. I've been enjoying myself in this task force. We've been doing some really cool stuff. So we're setting at, this is the highest point I've made it in this. Like I said, I'm not going to show any other info about this task force. That's all up to Flint, Michigan to show, because I know he will. I'm just here to play, and I'm really here in Flint, Michigan's task force to watch their operation hits and to learn and watch. I'm really spying. Flint, Michigan, I know you watch like all my videos, but bro, thank you for letting me hang out. I'm just trying to make my task force a little better, and dude, I need to upload it, but we did dead end by ourselves, no hoppers, by ourselves, and we were like, we got all of them down except for one, and it was like 60% gone. It was great. But anyways, I don't mind doing a couple battles in this, show you what's going on. Just a couple of live battles. I'm gonna drop this battle orders. BO. And of course, this top one, I'm going to BART down the top ER with critters. Oh, they left my door open. Now you hear the children hollering. Alright, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
From the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive.
You know, and I'm just gonna leave this ad. Yeah, that's alright. Let me know what you guys think. I didn't leave the last ad, but whatever.
Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Taking out that top ER with the critters. And flare into the next one. Boom. 244. That's a pretty good time. Let's see. Looking 244. Oop, yep, we definitely got him. Victory screech! Ba-boom! So yeah, I'm more inclined to play on Grampa Chewy than I am. Look at that, rank 19 on cam. Holy cow. Nice! I didn't even know that was going to be the boss fight. Pretty beefy base here. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Just kind of let everybody get going on. Battle orders. Shock. We're looking alright. Battle orders. I'm going to throw some critters out just to kind of get rid of those mines that are going on up there. Kind of help distract a little bit. Battle orders. Gonna flare. Go. Oh gosh. I thought I threw a critter, but I didn't. Flare. Oh, we're not getting this one. We're not getting this one. I'll be really surprised if we actually win this one. Need a better time than 3:28. I don't think it's going to happen. I think he's got us. Unless he just completely chokes. He's got me. He's definitely got me. Give me about 2 seconds, yeah. See, I messed up that flare, and that flare got me. Let's go again. I know now, I said this was going to be a short video, and it's turned into a long video, and I tend to do that all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's not a live stream. Guys, if you want me to do a live stream again, you really got to let me know in the comments and find out when is a good time for everyone to come and do that. I'm totally down to do a live stream, but I also don't want to do a live stream and nobody shows up. So, I know I'm not that famous or whatnot, but I still, you know, to do a live stream and nobody shows up, it's kind of not cool. The flare, 1, 2, 3, smoke it. Oh no. He's gonna get me. Pretty sure he's gonna get me. Critters. We gotta stop that. Boom. Yeah, we definitely got him. So that last one, that was completely my fault. I probably would have had the same exact time, but I messed that flare up. Alright, here we go. Alright, No rocket launchers. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this one out with the critters, and I'm gonna try to take everything else out. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shock. Shock. Critter. Just to kind of distract for a minute. BO. And hit another BO. Just gonna keep her lit. We're gonna go ahead and 1, 2, 3. Smoke. Flare. Shock. Critter again. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Flare. Come on, 250. 245. It's not a bad time, but I don't know. He's gonna get me. Oh, 1 second. Yes. You know, oh, you guys already took it out. Choke point. You guys killed it. Holy cow. Only 15 attacks to take out choke point. Nice. I missed it. No. I have to go back and watch all these so I can learn how to do this. Anyways, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry this video turned out to be longer than I expected, but I wanted to cram everything up into this update as I could. We got 1 day left. I'm hoping maybe I can get Grampa Chewy into at least rank 20. Maybe I can get Grampa Chewy into rank 19. I don't know. I mean, into rank 21. Maybe. We'll see. If I can get both accounts into rank 21, I will be very, very happy. But anyways, that's going to be it for me, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Make sure, if you made it to that certain part of the video, I want to see that in the comment if you made it to that point in the video. So down in the comments, if you know what to put down in the comments, go ahead and do it, guys, and you will get a shout out in the next video, and maybe a special giveaway I might do for something like that. If I can actually get some guys to participate in that, then we'll move forward to doing a giveaway or something, guys. But thank you again. You guys have a wonderful day, and as always, victory screech! Bye, guys. Have a great day.